Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy, Mr. Wolfie here. Back on some Watch Dogs. Alright, last time we were here, I was feeling a little sicky, a little icky, not gonna lie. These videos are pre-recorded, so this is probably gonna go up like next Friday. No, Friday after next. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm trying to get a schedule down, all that good stuff, but let's go ahead and get into this. Also, I've been working on my editing skills. Like, please tell me what you guys think. Like, if there's any free programs that you guys know of that I could use that's better than, what's it called? OpenShot? Yeah, if there's, like, I'm just looking for better programs to try out. Because I really like editing. It's super fun, and it's actually very intuitive. But, you know, we're going to get into it. Alright, I kind of forgot what we were doing here last time. Aiden, you got anything to say?
Your mom.
Okay, that was disrespectful as hell, Aiden, but you know, we gonna move on. Hop up in the truck. Oof, nope, nope, none of that. None of that, big nope. Big nope. Definitely not no Kid Cudi, that's 100% copywritten. Even though I'm pretty sure he would not mind some dude using one of his songs in a video, but ooh, don't drive off the bridge, brother. That's not a good look. Not a good look. Alright, we gonna do a little quick edit right here. Alright. We're back here over. I think this is the Rossi Fremont mission where we have to like break into Rossi for the first time. So yeah. That's what this is. That's what this is. All right. Oh man, no, it's daytime.
You're off my grid and in the dark.
Rossi Fremont.
Oh no, it's
For this
daytime.
place.
I hope it does a time lapse.
All that did was bring the gangs together under one roof. Loyalty to your neighborhood just became loyalty to your housing block.
What about everybody else?
They got in line, or they got out. I'm gonna take a look around, try and figure out what they've been up to.
I do have a better sniper rifle, so we're gonna give that a little test-a-rooney. Bro, chill. It ain't nothing, dog. It ain't nothing. You don't gotta worry about nothing, bro. You sure? You right though. I am gonna shoot somebody. I'm about to catch a body right now. Yeah, you right. I got a gun. I'm about to take somebody's life right now, bro. No, come on, truck, move. All right, first one is about to be hit. Nah, I can't aim with this. Nah, I gotta get closer. Dang, bro. I wish it wasn't. I wish it wasn't daytime.
These guys are running the place like a fortress, never breaking alone. Okay, we'll tap into their network, and we can get a look inside.
Yo, they got 3 snipers. They got a dude over here. Actually, there is another way that I can get in here. So I'm gonna actually try to go this way. Through this little side door. Yeah. This was a much, yeah, this is, oh, much better way. But I gotta take this homie right here first. Bro, you don't see nobody. Who do you see? Who do you see? You got him. You're next, bud. Got him. Alright. Move it. Oh, man, I forgot about this dude over here. Nah, he's good, actually. He's good. He can stay there. Let's go over here. Run. Stop. I might be able to hit him with the sniper rifle. I'm gonna try it on him. Where he at? There he is. This is gonna be super loud. Come on. Focus. Okay, got him. Okay, that wasn't that bad. He was the only one who saw. We good. Actually, he can come over here so I can pop him right in his little stupid head. Bro, come on, nah. Drop. You're over. Alright, move. Nah, you don't see nobody. You good. Chill. You good. Oh man, they on the move. Okay, this is bad. Uh-oh. You gotta die, cousin. I'm sorry. Come here, brother. Catch it. Sniper, 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 sniper is not my friend. Sniper is not your friend. Can I hit him with this? This probably does not have the range. Let's see. Oh, I did hit him. I need more focus. Alright, come on, bro. Alright, we going loud now. Did this burst? Nah, dude, nah. There we go. Jesus. Alright, first one. That was a little more rowdy than I expected. These guys, oh, they called reinforcements. That's not good for me. Alright, it's cool though. We're gonna get the rest of these terminals and it's not gonna be no big deal. Because I already took out the snipers, which was the problem last time that I was not focusing on. So, everybody can just hang out over there, have a good old time, try to figure out what's going on with their life, you know. I'm gonna just come over here and continue to take over your network. Snatch. Now, that one over there is gonna be heavy, 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 heavy to get to. I can't get that one right now anyway. Right, give me back my goblin. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow, 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 ow. Not me. 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 You playing games now, brother. Yep. Lay down. Oh, he got body armor? Yo! Let's go ahead and do a CTOS scan. Real quick and easy. Like, we got 3 snipers. That dude over there, he's good. I might be able to pop him real quick, like... Alright, yeah. Okay, he's taken care of. Ooh, shit. So he got smoked with somebody. Bruh. Okay, there we go. Got that one. Where you think you going, man? Nice. Alright, lady. I'm taking care of the people that's trying to threaten you. So let me do my job, which is popping this dude right here straight in his personality. How is he not dead? You got hit straight in the head. Ooh, you better be glad I missed. Oh, man. Alright, I'm going to try the sniper rifle one more time. Let's see if I could get him. Ooh. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright. Your turn. Yeah, come a little closer. Got him. Got him. Good, good. Alright, who's next? Oh. Who sees me? Who sees me? Who got eyes? Who got eyes? Who got eyes? Him. Laid him out clean. Uh-oh. Hey, buddy, you want to come over here so I can punch you straight in your jaw? Snatched. Oh. Oh, get back in the cover, get back in the cover, get back in the cover. Nah, you don't see nothing, bro. You don't see nothing. Oh, he coming to get some too. Watch, watch, watch. Ooh, clean takedowns. Clean takedowns, bro. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Yep, 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 yep. Nope. Nope. Down, down, down. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Lay it down, son. Lay it down. That's how we do it. Alright, let's get these terminals and get out of here before we get blasted again. That was nice. That was nice. I guess I had to get capped a couple times. Let me go ahead and focus up while I'm at it too. Oh, there's still people here? Oh crap. Duh. Oh man. Oh. You and me both, bro. Do I have any grenades? Go, 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 cover. Oh my god, they got crazy firepower. Lay down, man. Alright, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? I gotta get a better view. This. Got him, got him, got him. Who's next? Who's next? You? Alright, good, 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 good. We got one more, we got one more. Nice. Alright, we cleaned up, we cleaned up. Let's get these last couple of terminals and we gonna get on gone. Alright, one. Whew, that was a rough firefight. Not even about to lie. That was rough. Alright, next one, next one. Gotta make sure we don't get no more, oh. Who still got static, bro? Really? Bro, they still... What are you busting upon, sir? I am currently taking your whole network. I got one more terminal. I was gonna say Terminator. I got one more terminal. Bro, come on. Get it. Get it. Go, 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 go. We're out. Dip. Time to go. Time to go. I gotta go inside? Oh, man. I did this in the wrong sequence, huh? I gotta sneeze really, really bad. Where is it? Where is it? It's over here. A lot of running around in this one. They really was trying me though. They really were. I mean, I got the work done. It's all good. I gotta sneeze. It's so weird.
Alright, we all here. Let's do this.
Come on, guys.
The fucking wall exploded, go!
Do I have any IEDs? Ooh, I do. Yeah, yeet. Ah. The sun is in my eye too, bro. This is bad. Yo, this is crazy. The sun is in my eyes. I can't even see where the enemy are. I'm just spraying, bro. I am literally just spraying. Alright, it says escape. Okay, escape is the rule. Put the gun away. And we running away. I'm just gonna run. Yeah, that's the move currently. Bro, I should hit you just for taking a picture of me, but I'm not gonna do that. Yep. Ooh, bike. Yes. Good choice. Good choice. I'll take that. Goodbye. Yes, that was clean. Dang, I broke it. All right, whatever. Am I still on the mission? How?
That should do it.
Yep, we are connected. You'll be able to peek into Rossi Fremont now.
Thank you for all of this. You really came through.
Hey, I can't resist a good adventure. So I guess we're done.
No. I'm just getting started. I need to get in there, find some answers, and get my sister back.
And once you get your answers, what then?
Then I find out who did this, and I make sure they answer for it. Every single person involved in Lena's death. You still there?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay, I'll see you soon.
All right. Let's go ahead and. Why is music playing? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off because yeah, nah. Songs. Turn that down. Music can stay on because there's in-game music. That's okay, but turn that off as well. Oh, getting a phone call.
Device? How did you get this number?
You're the vigilante.
That's a dangerous accusation.
Ooh, Porsche.
There's the vigilante voice. It scared the shit out of me the first time I heard it. Listen, I got something that might interest somebody like you. I found out the police are busy putting more guns onto the streets.
What are you talking about?
I've been listening in. They're selling crates full of a man undercover.
Wait, I've seen something like that. Did you track the source?
Right, right. But you'll have to do the digging. Here's the deal, though. I want a nod in your manifesto.
What?
You will.
What just happened? Oh, jeez. Why was there a blackout? Okay, that was weird. Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead over here, back over to the bunker, and get up into this next mission. We'll do a quick little edit. It was really fun.
Operation, but wouldn't elaborate.
Alright, next mission. Grandma's bulldog. Oh man, I missed the view. Alright, let's do it.
You done then?
You have what you need.
So far, yeah. Okay, look, I understand if you're scared.
I'm not scared. No one asked me to stay.
Well, no one asked you to leave.
You'll need to do better than that.
I could use some help. I could use your help.
Like a team.
Sure, like a team.
I'm not used to being a team.
No, I'm not.
Was that so hard?
No.
See, it's easy to make friends.
Sure. All right, let's dive in and see what we can find.
Alright, we're going about to do the thing to see what we can see. God, this looks so sick. Oh, I love this mission.
You sure that IP is here?
It's in here on the top floors. How do we get
Oh.
there?
We ride the cameras. Look at that. We got the whole place custom wired.
Alright, I gotta be quick.
Typical gangbangers.
Where's that next one at? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, got that one. There it is. Bro, it's literally like a prison up in here, dude. Where's that other camera at, yo? Hey, yo, never mind. I never mind about this part. I have to definitely cut all this out.
There. The IP address is coming from that room.
There's a card reader on it. Shit.
Well, well, well.
Key's hidden in his dog tag.
Listen, ain't nobody stole from you, boy. Get your boss on the phone. Yeah, it'll take a few. It'll fucking take a few. Hey, but get your ass in here. What are you doing with that? I told you. I just thought that you... This shit won't fly. You remember Grandma's bulldog? That ugly little fuck. Fathead.
Oh no, my Gundam.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No, you don't. Listen, it costing me business. And who do you think's gonna win between you and business? Yeah, Mr. Quinn's on speaker. Business. Quinn.
I put you in charge of merchandise and security. Now I find you stolen my guest list. I won't be fleeced, Mr. Rack.
Yo, chill. That ain't how it went down. See, I think you confused. This is a business collaboration. Your guests are my guests. Listen, we'll talk this out at the auction.
Don't be a stope, Mr. Rack. Where I grew up, we shot them between the eyes.
Fucking leprechaun can suck my lucky charm. This fuck's a stoked.
Ferret.
Weasel, man.
Bruh. Oh nah. You got that crazy. Oh shit. Hey yo, hey bro, hey, hey, leave him alone. Leave him alone. It's a very strong message, sir.
Anything else?
Interesting. All right. Well, that's Bedbug and his crazy psycho cousin Iraq.
Never mind near that room. Even the security locks on the doors are encrypted.
That fat kid, Bedbug, he's gonna go in for me.
Just like that. And why should he help us?
I'm betting he's one mistake away from a bullet to the head. So when he makes that mistake, I'll be recording. Nothing like blackmail to change someone's tune.
Well, we're about to go back down to the Chirac and cause some more trouble. Oh, that's not how we leave. All right, let me out. Let me out. Do a edit. Yeah.
This is getting complicated. If I can keep Damien focused on that hard drive, I can find Nikki. He'll slip up. I know Damien. I have to be patient. And right now, I need Bedbug.
All right, well, let's go get him, man. Yeah, I think after this one, I'm gonna call it, and yeah, I think that might be. Oh man, oh okay, calm. Yeah, that might be the. Bro, I cannot drive today.
I read the news today. Something about a high-speed chase near Parker Square. Had all the hallmarks of Aiden Pierce.
Are you with Nikki?
Of course. We read it together and I highlighted all your signature moves. She was quite alarmed. She doesn't seem to know you like I do.
Just get her on the phone.
Now. The IP address.
Yeah. There's something inside Rossi Fremont, some kind of small server hidden behind a locked door. And an army of gangbangers.
Now you understand why I need your help. Have you found a way in?
I'm working on it. Let me talk to Nikki.
Was that so painful?
Aiden.
Hey, we're getting close. You'll be home soon.
What's going on? This guy talks like you two are friends.
We're not friends. Not anymore. Nikki, just
Oof,
don't listen
sorry,
to this
bud.
bullshit.
You afraid he'll give up your secrets?
I got no secrets.
Seriously, Aiden? You expect me to believe that? I'm your sister.
Well, shouldn't my sister be cutting me a little slack?
Really? Oh, because I'm being held by your friend and you need a little slack.
Well, it sounds worse when you say it like that.
That's because it is.
Have I hurt your feelings? I forget what a sensitive boy you are.
You know me. Heart on my sleeve.
Fun's over, kids. I hope your plan's a good one. Nikki does too.
Alright, not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug. Let's get into it. Oh, excuse me.
I'm taking a gamble with Bedbug, but I have a hunch he's my perfect target. Doesn't have much, has a lot to lose, easily intimidated, and ambitious, but lazy. Alright, start with his home, tap his cell phone, just record everything he says.
Just easy stuff. Alright, his house is, I believe... Yep. Alright, we up in there. Well, well, well.
Now, what is it you have to do that's so involved? Work, Grandma. I got work. Oh, you got a job now. Well, why you didn't tell? It's not like that, Grandma. Oh, I see. It's not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug. Come on, Grandma. Bedbug doesn't even mean anything. Yeah, it does. It means I'm a player.
Oof.
What? A bed bug can get into any lady's bed. That's disgusting.
It is.
Oh, I raised you better than that.
You a disappointment.
Don't wait. I gotta go, Grandma. Love you. Yeah, I love you too. Even though you're a damn fool.
Sheesh.
Let's see what dirt I can dig up on you. All goes well. I'll never see it coming.
Do 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 doodly doo. Following the weird guy. Just gonna hop into the car across the street here. Let them drive off.
You go in as a friend. Tell them that everybody outside their walls is some crazy fucker wants what they got. Eyes and ears in every house. You know what they're selling and you know what they're buying. You control it. Anybody step out of line, they're gonna hand them to you. So you gonna put in a good word for me or what? I don't know, man. Why should I? I wanna be a shot caller, dude. Come on. I'll try your ass wherever you wanna go. Always on time too, B. Never let you down, not even once, son. True, but that's why I wanna keep you where you are. Now, listen up, for real. You wanna move up? I ain't supposed to say nothing, but I've been moving weight up in Parker Square.
Wow, giving away secrets, huh?
Damn, B, not so loud.
Not supposed to be talking about this stuff over the phone, man. How am I losing him, bro? He's right here, being a stupid NPC.
Damn, man, they expecting trouble? Looks like Iraq locking everything down.
Yeah, because what happened last night, bro? Somebody came through and put some serious work in on your people.
Soldiers, fam. Remember when flying this crew disappeared? And they stepped out of line. Iraq put them down himself. I know, because I helped them bury the bodies. Man, don't say that shit out loud, son. You know your fan paranoid about that shit getting back to him? I'll say whatever I want. What? Are you paranoid too? Only when I'm around your ass, fam.
There. That's the blackmail I'm after. Rack hears this little gem and Bedbug will be buried in a landfill.
Trying to make my driving all nice and cinematic for y'all. Just go down the road, hip a UE, and come back. Bro, he got out of the car. I know this.
Thanks, man. You watch yourself. Always, Dopey.
Alright, we're gonna be quick and quiet about this. He's right there, game.
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom. Got the cards? Yeah, B. Pin numbers 2? Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut? Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me.
The game wants you to stay extra close to this man.
Yo, check it. Big B's on the move. Sup, V's? May I talk to Lil Juice? Why, yes, you may. Alone? Mother, may I? Fuck me, man. Making a round? Yup. Fixing to drive over.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
What do you think? Expect anything? Nope, and it sounds like the club don't trust Iraq no more. Good. Because they'll be dealing with me soon. When I call the shots, I remember what you done.
Oh shit, he's gonna walk out this way. I hope he does not see me. How? I was hiding! I was hiding! Alright. Let's go again.
Locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself. Nah, don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place. Ain't right, man. The way I see it, the gate's to us. It's our shit.
What happened? What just happened?
You have the right to suck my dick. Man, you nuts. You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker. Better stop whooping, girl.
Crap.
Fan that bitch. He ain't going nowhere. Fine.
Bruh, come on. Alright. Alright, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna have to do this one probably off screen. I'll check y'all later. Thank you guys, everybody, for who watches my videos. I appreciate y'all. Leave a like or whatever. I don't mind. I appreciate it. Alright, check y'all on the flippity flop later, skaters.